Hey guys, welcome back to Fulmo Graphics channel. I've been quite busy recently, so I didn't have much time to make videos like this, but I've decided I'll take a break. And by a break I mean more work, but just not for clients, but for YouTube. Anyway, I shot this photo like last year on my phone with a timer, and I quite enjoyed the editing this photo. So I decided I want to recreate this photo with my current camera, which is Sony a6400, because back then I had only my phone, so the image wasn't that great. So I put my camera on tripod and tried to shoot myself with a remote. The thing is, I don't have a second camera, so I used my phone to time-lapse this, so you can see how I shoot my inside photos just for me. Well, if you like looking at someone who's acting like an idiot, here is your chance. And one more thing before I get into editing. Adobe just released their new version of Photoshop, where selecting tools are much better now. So instead of me half an hour selecting with a pen tool, I will try it with their new improved tool, which is Select Object, I think. So let's see how it's gonna go.
Voices in my head. Came to the bed, I've got voices in my head. Voices in my head.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and please, if you like the video, click the like button down there, and if you want to see more stuff like this, subscribe to my channel. I will do my best to put another videos, but you know, a little time, many stuff to do, so see you in the next video. Yeah, and one last thing is I decided to release the video anyway, even though I'm not satisfied with the result, because I haven't uploaded video in a really long time, because I was really busy. So yeah, I want to release something, because something is better than nothing. So see you.